Hello, good morning, students. Today we are discussing about nutrition for the first chapter for 10th class, the food supplementary system. First of all, what is nutrition? Nutrition means it is the process of intake of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water by an organism, and utilization by these organisms is called nutrition. The next one, this nutrition is two types, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. First of all, we have learned what is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means autotrophs are green plants. These organisms capable of using light energy to synthesize chemical energy, that is chemical compounds. Green plants take water from the soil, gases from air to produce carbohydrates. This process is known as photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Green plants take water from the soil, gases from air to produce carbohydrates. This process is known as photosynthesis. Observe this picture. In this picture the photosynthesis process occurs. See the green plant receiving sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, and water from the soil. By photosynthesis process, these green plants produces carbohydrates as well as releasing oxygen. The blue arrow mark shows oxygen into the atmosphere. That is photosynthesis. For this photosynthesis, C.B. Van Neel proposed photosynthesis equation. Later, Robert Hill again balanced the photosynthesis equation as follows. It is very important equation. Listen carefully, afterwards practice it carefully. What is photosynthesis equation? 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to light, and by chlorophyll it produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. I repeat, photosynthesis equation is 6CO2 plus 12H2O, light by chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. అంటే ఆకుపచ్చని మొక్కలు ముందు చెప్పినట్టుగా కాంతిని, గాలి నుంచి కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ని, భూమి నుంచి నీటిని పీల్చుకొని ఏం తయారు చేస్తాయన్నాము? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ని తయారు చేస్తాయి. బట్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ C6H12O6 మరియు నీటి ఆవిరిని మరియు ఆక్సిజన్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తాయి. దట్ ఈజ్ photosynthesis. Next, activity 1. In plants, carbohydrates are produced by photosynthesis. It is true or false whether photosynthesis prepared by green plants? By this activity we can observe what happened in the photosynthesis. The activity 1 shows presence of starch, a type of carbohydrates in the leaves. Observe the picture carefully. Arrange apartments in showing figure. What are the arrangement? a tripod stand. ఆ స్టాండ్ కింద చిన్న బున్సన్ బర్నర్, ఆ స్టాండ్ పైన బీకర్లో వాటర్, ఆ వాటర్లో ఒక బాయిలింగ్ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్లో లీఫ్ ఉంది. ఆ లీఫ్లో లైట్ ఎల్లో కలర్లో మెథైలేటెడ్ స్పిరిట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. మెథైలేటెడ్ స్పిరిట్. అబ్జర్వ్ ది పార్ట్స్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. వెన్ leaf is placed in the test tube in methylated spirit, not water. Water is present in the beaker. ఆ మెథైలేటెడ్ స్పిరిట్లు వేసిన తర్వాత టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ని వాటర్లో ఉంచి హీట్ చేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ టైమ్ afterwards gently take the leaf carefully from the methylated spirit, then place in a petri dish, then test with iodine. What happen? When we heat the leaf in the methylated spirit, it turns into pale color. Pale color means light white color. When we add few drops of iodine solution, the leaf color becomes blue black color or dark blue color or blue black color. That it indicates the leaf turning into blue black color, that iodine present in that leaf. It indicates the iodine. Okay, observe that carefully. That air and photosynthesis. Air is also important for photosynthesis. We know that CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. Later we discussed about that essentiality of the factors. Air and photosynthesis. What is the relationship air and photosynthesis? For this, experiments are conducted. Joseph Priestley performed a series of experiments to reveal that the essential role of air on the growth of the plants. What he said? He conducted a series of experiments and he stated that air is important to growth of the plant. Then a series of experiments conducted by him, and he coined a term, oxygen. Oxygen term was firstly coined by Priestley in 1774, and after the name of oxygen is termed by Lavoisier. ఆక్సిజన్ కనుగొంది మొదట ప్రీస్ట్లీ అయినా తర్వాత ఆ గాలికి ఆక్సిజన్ పేరు పెట్టింది మాత్రం లెవోజియర్. రిమెంబర్ దట్. అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ ప్రీస్ట్లీ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. left side first Belzer experiment. He conducted an experiment using a candle, lighting the candle, and a live rat in that Belzer. Observe the second one, right side top one. After some time, the candle turn off and the rat also dead. Observe carefully. Candle also turned off, rat is also dead. The first top two pictures. The next one, observe carefully. Then Priestley placed a small plant in that Belzer. Again he placed a candle and a rat. candle is lighted and he placed a rat, live rat and a small plant in that jar. What we observe after some time, the candle also lighting, the rat will not die. Observe that carefully. Why? Because he concluded that from the plants there is some gas released that is called oxygen. By this experiment he concluded that that is the some gas which the rat will not die and the candle also lighten. That is called as oxygen by the Priestley. Okay, next one, moles of experiment. Moles of off-leaf experiment. Moles off-leaf experiment. That is CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. CO2 is essential for photosynthesis. In this we will start the remaining lesson in the next session. Up to this we conclude that the some of the topic in the autotrophic nutrition. Thank you.